Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Welcome back to another episode of Two Wheel Talks. Grab your popcorn, get some drinks, and enjoy the show.
Alrighty, and then moving on to the best or your favorite road bike and your favorite off-road to work on.
Favorite road bike to work on?
Triumph Street Triple 670.
No. I stay away from Triumph. I'm actually gonna say it's a Honda CBR 600.
Really? Specifically the 600s or also the 1000s?
The 1000s is a little different, but they're almost the same. So both of them, there's space to work on, and you can actually just take off your tank and then boom, everything's open.
Everything's open, yeah.
Your starter is open, your plugs is open, air filter is open, your throttle body is open, so you can get in there, work without any disturbance.
Okay, so it's just more accessible, a little bit more user-friendly.
That's correct.
Okay, and then your favorite off-road?
The one I'm actually busy with now, it's a YZ252 stroke.
Okay.
They literally, to strip a whole motor, put it back together, a day's work.
Really? I mean, you're busy stripping it now for the gearbox, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. So you said it's been an easy process.
It's a very quick process. The only thing that takes long is not to break any casings.
I mean, you started with it this morning, and about maybe 2-3 hours ago I came in and it was already stripped and on the table, and you're getting busy.
I was about to put it back together when I found a fault on one of the selector forks.
Okay. And just to expand a little bit on that, what was the issue with that bike?
Selector fork didn't go. You get 3 selector forks. So the one is your first, second, the other one is your third, and then you get your fourth, fifth. Now this one, the one that takes it from fourth to fifth, is worn down at the top. So when you go into fifth, it doesn't select fifth completely, so it jumps out the whole time as you ride.
Okay.
So we engineering and that, and then it's gonna run smooth again.
Okay, so although it's a major engine component, it's a pretty quick fix for you guys to get done.
Exactly, yeah.
Awesome, perfect. Shelley, any other comments that you have along the lines of favorite and least favorite?
My actual favorite bike is to work on is a 49cc, because that's very easy.
I mean, you rebuilt, what was it, a PW80 that had been water seized or something?
Yeah, PW80 water seized, 3 hours, the bike was running everything.
So that's probably the easiest bike to work on.
Not your easiest, but the process is much faster.
Okay, I see. Alright.
The only worst thing on that is your kickstart.
Kickstart, why?
The spring keeps on jumping out. So as soon as it jumps out, you can't kickstart it.
Yeah, it's like trying to get that clutch to hook on the clutch casing. Yeah.
Especially on a street triple.
For a bit of context, ladies and gentlemen, Shelley's done quite a bit of work on my personal bike, which is a street triple, and he's had his lows and his highs. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for Shelley, our head mechanic.
See you guys, and come visit Dewet&Bikes.
There we go, come visit Dewet&Bikes. Thank you very much, Shelley.
Sharp.
And then jumping onto the complete other side of the spectrum, your favorite road bike to work on?
My favorite road bike, that would be, it's between the ZX10 and the GSXRs.
Well, you're going to have to get comfy with those Gixxer 600 or 1000s, hey? You got a strip job coming up, Yaku?
Yeah, just for 2 spark plugs, hey? Strip the whole tank. Luckily, I don't have to strip the fairings, but to get to those spark plugs, it's another story. It's almost like the KTMs, you have to lean on an angle. But yeah, Robbie showed me a bit. So I think I'm gonna be alright with that one. I'm not gonna struggle.
But even though there's the struggles, I mean, I personally know Gixxer 600s, it's your favorite bike, so it makes sense. But With the ZX10, what makes that your favorite bike to work on? Is it just
Again, the space. I mean, the same as the KXs, there's space. I mean, I can get my hands in there. Like now, I'm busy with that one ZX10. It's spacious, except for stripping the fairings off and putting it back. But again, if you got the hang of it, it's actually really easy. It's not complicated. But yeah, otherwise, I've never stripped the Honda before.
okay?
I'm still waiting for that CBR.
Yeah, the 600.
Yes, that thing is I think that's gonna be like a battle for me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
No, for sure.
swear a bit at myself, but it's okay.
Question your life decisions.
Yeah, again,
Yeah.
it's gonna be the first time.
But I'm noticing a bit of a trend here. I'm noticing that it's all coming down to space
Yes.
and the accessibility of it. How easy is it to access, and how easy is it for, let's say, if you're not a mechanic, can you work on it? I've noticed that that's the trend that we're going along with.
I wouldn't say if you're not a mechanic. I'm just saying if you must know what you're doing. That's the thing.
Okay.
If you're not gonna know what you're doing, you're gonna mess up. That's. I'm gonna be honest there. Like for me, the first time I started working here, it was all new to me. I didn't know what to do.
Yeah.
Anyway, I mean, yeah, I was working before that. I was working on cars and stuff, but I mean, in a car, there's a lot of space.
Yeah. So
But a
you
bike-
used to having a lot of space,
Yes, to this bit of space.
and that
So-
explains why the KTM is at the bottom of the list.
Precisely, KTM and Honda.
Tell me, but what is your favorite off-road to work on?
Favorite off-road? Yes, that's a hard one, eh? Yes, I worked so long time ago. I worked on off-road. It's actually funny. Because the last time it's just been sports bikes, super bikes.
Well, you were
I was-
recently working on the KX450s.
Yeah, but it was small work. It wasn't big work. Like it wasn't carb services or anything. But yeah, I would say most probably between the KXs and then that one RM we had.
RM85.
No, the RMZ 450.
Oh, RMZ450.
Yes.
Okay. Any specific reason why you like the KXs and the RMs?
Well, I mean, it's spacious.
Okay.
There's a lot of space to work on. You can get your hands, I mean, I have big hands, let's be honest. But yeah, my hands, there's not really a problem for my hands going in and trying to get a bolt out or a screw out. It's really comfortable to work on.
Okay, so it's nice and accessible.
Yeah,
You can
it's
get in here, get in there.
very spacious, to be
Okay.
honest.
So the GS is your favorite bike because it's nice and easy to diagnose. You can figure out if it's left or right.
Yeah, although maybe you have to work on the gearbox, you just split the frame, you take the gearbox separate.
Okay.
But the challenge is on the new ones, LC.
The newer
Everything is together now.
really. So what year models? 2016 up.
Yeah, from 26 up,
2016 up.
2016 up.
Yeah. Okay, and then you said you also like to work on the CBRs and the R1s.
Yeah, on CPR, most of them, I know when they make noise, it's always timing chain and the tensioner. And maybe when they overheat, it's like small things, wiring. Yeah, it's not complicated.
They're very simple bikes to work on.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shirley also said his favorite bikes to work on are the CBR 600 and the CBR 1000. So
Yeah.
it makes sense. Okay, and then Robbie, your favorite dirt bike to work on?
The favorite bike to work on,
Of like off-road.
what I can say, on off-road,
Any off-road.
any off-road. I don't have a favorite.
You don't have a favorite?
All of them, they're my favorite.
Okay, do you think that they're all very similar?
Yeah, they are all similar.
Okay. David. Yes. Tell me, boss, what's your favorite bike to work on?
Come again?
Your favorite bike to work on?
My favorite bike.
Yeah, to work on. To like change something, fix this, fix that. Your favorite bike to fix?
Look, so many bikes here, but that's scramble bikes, especially the one we are playing always.
The scramblers,
That's scramblers, yeah.
like these ones here around us
Yes,
now.
yeah, around yes.
So you like to work
The one
on
that
those.
I like it.
Okay, and do you like to work on road bikes more or dirt bikes more?
All bikes.
All bikes.
Yeah, all bikes because of we work so with all bikes.
So you
Yeah.
like to work on anything, no matter what.
Yeah.
That's good, Debo. That's good.
Sure.